Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents
Got high blood pressure? Try this 2-ingredient tea. Blood pressure is defined as an amount of strength that pushes against the walls of arteries to get blood through the body. If this strength is too strong for too long, it will weaken arterial walls over time. In America, 70 million people, or 1 of every 3, have high blood pressure. In Canada, it's 1 in 6. Hypertension increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, atherosclerosis, and kidney failure. Managing this condition is therefore critical, not just for all-around health and feeling good, but to prevent life-threatening illnesses. 2 types of hypertension. Hypertension can be genetic or acquired through a high-risk lifestyle. There are 2 types of hypertension: essential, primary, and secondary. In the case of essential hypertension, there is no possible cause and it gradually develops over many years. Secondary hypertension is usually connected with other conditions such as kidney problems, thyroid problems, obstructive sleep, adrenal gland tumors, certain congenital blood defects. Medications for high blood pressure can kill you faster than hypertension itself. So, what can you do? There is a lot you can do. How to manage high blood pressure? According to many studies, high intake of fruits and vegetables reduce the risk of heart disease with demonstrated anti-inflammatory effects due to the group of phytonutrients known as anthocyanins. In order to manage high blood pressure, reduce your salt intake. Reduced salt intake can delay or prevent the incidence of anti-hypertensive therapy, can promote blood pressure reduction, and may represent a simple cost-saving mediator to reduce cardiovascular morbidity and mortality. Exercise. Exercise is a foundation therapy for the prevention, treatment, and control of hypertension. Avoid foods that worsen hypertension like alcohol, processed meats, ramen noodles, and anything with high sodium content. I will share with you a recipe for hypertension tea that is delicious and will provide nutrients to reduce blood pressure. Celery contains phthalates, phytonutrients that act to reduce constriction in artery walls, allowing increased blood flow. Red dates contain high levels of potassium, a nutrient known to lessen the effects of sodium in the bloodstream, thereby reducing blood pressure. 2-ingredient tea. Ingredients: 7 ounces of organic celery, 2 ounces red dates, 2 quarters water. Instructions: wash and clean celery and red dates. Cut celery into small sections. Put all ingredients in a soup pot and simmer for 30 minutes. Strain the chunks from the liquid. Drink the tea as often as possible.
If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.